bad right now. Jeez Louise. So I'm gonna go out the back door and just show you what it's like in the backyard. Hang on, I'll turn the camera around. Okay, I'm just outside the back door now. Just to give you a sense of how deep the snow is. I'm gonna just try and get off the step here. Okay, hold on. I don't know if you can see this or not, but that's where it's up to on me right now. It's actually quite sheltered here. It's not bad. I'll turn the camera around, I'll show you the other way. The video camera just doesn't really pick up how bad it is. It seems to focus like, it looks way worse when I look at it for real than when I look through the video camera. You don't really get a sense of how hard it's snowing here, but that's just from being outside in 2 minutes.